Hopefully, you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of modern forestry. If you did, show us some love by subscribing and sharing this video with your friends. And as always, thanks for watching. All right, let's get this show on the road. Today, we're diving deep into the art of tree felling with a seasoned pro. Watch closely as he executes a flawless cut, but hold on tight. This timber's about to take a tumble.
Whoa!
Now that's what I call a high-pressure situation. You've got the danger of the tree, the heat of the fire, and the clock ticking. These guys are cool under pressure, reading the situation and making the right moves. Respect to these brave folks, and may they return home safe and sound. The Rotten H11. D-Harvester is a game-changer for thinning and final felling. Its powerful engine, hydrostatic transmission, and articulated frame joint allow it to conquer challenging terrain with exceptional precision and efficiency. But the real highlight, the operator experience. This harvester boasts unmatched comfort and visibility, empowering operators to perform at their best. I know what you're thinking. Whoa, those logs are gonna crush me. But trust me, your instincts are wrong. Give it gas, maintain control, and you'll be surprised how smoothly you can handle it. Oh my gosh, this road is insane. How do people even drive on this? These people are seriously amazing. Whoa! This Bell 4000C firewood processor is incredible. It has a huge 66 horsepower Cat turbo diesel engine and a massive 66-inch Siemens circular saw. Can you believe it's all controlled with just one joystick? It even has a dump tray and a 16-foot swivel conveyor. This thing is amazing. Ever wondered how those massive logs get turned into the lumber we use every day? Well, here's a glimpse behind the scenes. These powerful Liebherr machines are the unsung heroes of the sawmill, working tirelessly to keep the wood flowing. This level of content creation often comes at a steep cost: their health and financial well-being. It's a trade-off that deserves closer examination.
That was the stack control.
Imagine this. You're clearing land, and you come across a stubborn stump. But with the FH20R wood stump harvester, it's no problem. It grabs on tight, makes a few quick moves, and poof, the stump is gone. And with the robotic grinder, you can say goodbye to those pesky remnants. It's the ultimate solution for efficient land clearing. Think this video's got the goods? Drop a 1 in the comments. Now, let's see what unfolds. Whoa! This Comtech Axe Store 8012 shredder is insane. It's like a monster truck for recycling, chewing through huge piles of stuff and turning it into compost or fuel. It's got a super powerful engine and can handle a crazy amount of material. This thing is seriously impressive. Picture this. You've got a field full of stubborn stumps. Enter the Stump Puller 1720, a force of nature that rips them out with ease. But wait, there's more. The Savannah 1200 steps in to smooth and prep the land, leaving it ready for your vision. Efficient, eco-friendly, and downright impressive. This is land clearing redefined. Seems gravity worked in his favor. Safety first. Bail. Always get another chainsaw, but not another you. The Ponzi Ergo, a forestry legend. Rock-solid reliability, 250-degree turning radius, and crane reach up to 11 meters. Dominates thinning and regeneration felling. even on steep slopes thanks to that powerful winch. Productivity? Off the charts. Tired of those unsightly stumps ruining your landscape? The JD7730 and Rotor S stump cutter are here to the rescue. This dream team makes quick work of any stump, big or small, leaving behind a clean slate for your next project. Say goodbye to eyesores and hello to a beautiful property. Have you ever seen a machine that can make 320 cubic meters of wood chips per hour? Well, feast your eyes on the Chippo 8010C. This powerhouse has a 780 horsepower cat engine, a massive drum, and an energy-saving design. Plus, it's mounted on a man truck with an Epsilon crane that can reach incredible heights. Ready to boost your productivity? Imagine this. You load a massive log, up to 21 meters long, into this Petzolato TLA 15/TB900, and it does the rest. Cutting, splitting, cleaning, all automatically. Think of the time you'll save, the energy you'll have for other things. This machine is a true game changer for anyone who wants efficient, hassle-free firewood production. Did you see that? Talk about a close call. But you know what they say. Hope for the best, prepare for the worst. And this guy, he was definitely prepared. Let me tell you, This Maze 6x6 is something else. Effortless power handles any terrain. For the toughest jobs, this is your machine. Simply impressive.
Сука, понижайки нету, хуёво, блядь. Задошили. О, блядь, по колено.
We all want a machine that's powerful, reliable, and easy to use, right? Well, Vermeer heard you. The HG6800TX delivers on all fronts. It's got the guts to tackle any job, the brains to do it efficiently, and the durability to keep going day after day. This is what you've been waiting for. Impeccable technique demonstrated here. The logger's experience is evident in the controlled execution of each cut. The tree's fall was precisely directed, showcasing both safety and efficiency. A textbook example of professional tree felling. There's a significant distinction between ground-level tree removal and technical tree climbing. A dead tree presents unique challenges: structural instability, unpredictable decay. One error can result in catastrophic consequences: property damage, injury, or loss of life. A convoy of logging trucks transporting freshly harvested timber is en route to Seeburg, Switzerland. The trucks traverse the region's picturesque roads, flanked by dense forests and rolling hills, reflecting the significance of the forestry industry in the local economy. The trucker, a veteran of the open road, binds his load of stamped timber with the precision of a surgeon. His truck, now a fortress of wood, begins its epic journey through the majestic Kootenay Mountains of British Columbia. Up and over the peaks, with breathtaking views of Kootenay Lake far below, then down the winding roads, clinging to the cliffs, before a scenic ferry ride delivers him and his cargo to the charming town of Creston.
Station. Yeah, that's good.
Prepare to be amazed. What you're witnessing isn't a long-necked dinosaur, but the Cockham's logma, a timber harvesting machine straight out of Sweden. Witness its operation, and you'll understand why it's a game changer. Nothing like the smell of fresh-cut wood and the purr of a well-tuned machine. It's poetry in motion. Thanks for the show, guys. A tireless titan amidst the trees, the John Deere 540 makes light work of hauling hefty timber. Its unwavering power and dependability turn tough tasks into triumphs, solidifying its status as a legend among lumberjacks. Unbelievable. The Eschelbach Biber 110 chipper devoured 380 tons of logs in just 10 hours. This beast has a 90-centimeter tall, meter-wide mouth that swallows massive tree trunks whole. It even has a log splitter for the really big ones. Watch the jaw-dropping video. You won't believe your eyes. Stumps? Consider them history. The mini stump grinder. Erskine is a stump-eating monster, devouring any stump in its path. With its powerful engine and carbide-tipped teeth, this machine will leave your yard stump-free in no time. It's so effective, you'll wonder why you ever struggled with stumps in the first place. Get ready to be captivated. This video is a symphony for your ears and a visual masterpiece for your eyes. You won't want to miss it. In the world of timber, even the most seasoned lumberjack knows, safety isn't an option, it's a lifeline. You can plan your cut to perfection, but the tree always has the final say in its fall. Behold, the Scania R650 V8, a symphony of steel and chrome, a masterpiece of design. Desire ignites at first sight. It's not just a truck, it's a statement. Bold, powerful, unforgettable. Scania isn't selling a vehicle, they're selling an experience, a legacy. A relic of forestry's golden age, the Cockham's 880 of 1976 stands as a testament to timeless design and enduring power. This machine, with its robust build and impressive capabilities, was once a trusted companion to those who worked the woods. This machine is a piece of history, evoking memories of hard work and dedication amidst the untamed wilderness. Smooth as silk on a slope that screams, danger. This skidder operator's a master of their machine. Hats off to them. If you've been curious about this machine's function, let me clarify. It's designed to cultivate high-quality timber, ideal for premium furniture applications. The key is eliminating knots. By strategically pruning dead branches, we encourage lateral growth, preventing those undesirable imperfections. An innovative solution, wouldn't you agree? I must confess, the auditory experience of the Mercedes 5.8 engine is remarkably captivating, surpassing even the impressive sound of the Scania. Would you agree? Built for behemoths, the Roby CG35 devours dense materials. Tree stumps? A snack. One swift grab, and those roots surrendered, plucked like a stubborn carrot from the earth. Human ingenuity, what a marvel. Picture this, a hefty 13-foot log, thick as a man's torso, a behemoth weighing hundreds of pounds. Yet, with a clever pulley system and a touch of muscle, it ascends effortlessly. Simplicity at its finest, efficiency personified, and oh, the budget-friendly boon for a small woodshop. That's what I call working smarter, not harder. Hopefully, you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of modern forestry. If you did, show us some love by subscribing and sharing this video with your friends. And as always, thanks for watching.